Nag-enjoy ka ba sa school?
Oh my God, I thought she was almost going to another life. Akala ko naman, Tata, you scared me.
Meron ka bang ano ginagawa mo sa school? Nag-enjoy ka ba sa school? Okay, nice, sit down. Let's pray muna. In the name of the Father, the Son. Okay? Nanay will give... we have good news and bad news. What do you wanna... Ano?
The bad news.
The bad
I
news.
want juicy. It needs to be juicy. If it's not juicy, I'm leaving it at the table.
The bad news is Nanay won't be able to come on the field trip.
Okay.
It's not bad news.
What's the good news?
It's okay if Nanay won't come.
The good news is Nanay has a present for you. Give it, Nay. Give it to Saini. Ayan.
Wait.
Ay, remove the ano, Nay, yung drinks niya, Nay.
You're pregnant? Ay, wala na ka ng tiyan mo. What's the name of the baby? What's the name? Nanay, serious. Hey, serious. What's the name?
We don't know yet.
Wait. Nanay's gonna go to surgery again.
Ano na?
Nanay's gonna go to surgery again.
We don't know yet, eh.
We don't know yet.
So,
So I can't spill the tea to my classmates.
this is a family secret.
Not yet because we need to go back past.
Is it real?
It's all
Yeah,
touch it.
it's puno ng wiwi.
That's why it's wrapped.
As soon as I saw this, is it real? Another serious.
Look.
Yeah, that's the proof.
Where will I get P for of a pregnant woman?
Sa akin?
In a present pregnant.
No, before. Old.
Before.
So how do you feel now?
Happy. Scared. I'm scared that Nanay's not gonna be my favorite anymore.
Your favorite or you're not Nanay's favorite anymore?
Not Nanay's favorite anymore.
That's fine. You'll always be my
Akala ko
favorite.
naman it was something about Lola Nanay eh. Akala ko Lola Nanay was in the hospital again.
She's currently in the hospital, di ba?
No, my God, I thought she was almost going to another life. Akala ko naman, Tata, you scared me. Akala ko something happened to Lola Nanay.
No. Lola Nanay's getting better.
But here's the thing. It's still a secret. Kasi we still have to go back on February 5.
And Sunday
Then,
tomorrow.
on Sunday, Nanay needs to have another blood test to see that the baby is getting better. And then we need an ultrasound pa on February 5 to check if the baby has heartbeat. Okay? So can you keep it a secret?
You're like Sheldon.
Wait lang. Nanay, if you wanted me to keep it a secret, hindi dapat you didn't tell me muna.
We need to now. Kasi we need to tell you that Nanay won't be able to come on the field trip. Diba? You're gonna ask, we don't wanna lie to you.
Yeah, but why not me keep it a secret?
You're big enough para maging responsible dun sa mga secret na katulad na ganito.
Wait, so are you happy that you're a big sister?
No, pamilya.
But before you said you don't want sibling.
Yeah, I know. And after now,
Really? What will we do now?
So you're gonna be a big sister.
I want. But the thing is, I'm scared. Is it a girl or a boy?
We don't know yet.
It's too early pa eh.
It's too early.
You
Ano yun,
wanna
like 6 months? 5 months?
Yeah.
9 months.
No, I mean 5 months.
I
Wala
want
naman.
to live on this town with the gender.
Hala pa nga. We will know pa nga if...
You can Saini, you can search. Tingnan mo kung how many weeks or months before you would know the gender of
5 months eh. Yung sa'yo. 5 months. 5 months na sa tummy.
Until now, we don't know kung girl ka o boy.
Hindi lumalaki
Siguro
siya.
mga June. Ganun. we know.
Ako hindi lumalaki siya.
It's still new. We just found out yesterday.
Yeah.
Do you remember I called Tatay? Tatay.
In the morning.
That's why nanay did pick you up.
When did Nanny pick you
I told you yesterday, nanay was not feeling well, di ba?
up? Is she actually not feeling well?
Yeah.
Up until now.
I thought you were just lying.
Yeah. We need to be careful. Yung sinasabi ni nanay sa'yo, di ba? Yung tummy ni nanay, hindi siya pwedeng masipa or masagi.
Nana, you can keep upstairs. You can keep upstairs tonight.
Or we can sleep dun sa floor. Tabi tayo, si nanay mag-isa dun sa bed.
We have a problem.
Mm.
And one more thing, when the baby comes out, you need to sleep on your own room. You can sleep with us, but you're gonna be puyat.
It's never too late for adoption.
No.
We're gonna give the baby away.
Say me.
Or we're gonna give you away.
Say me. Normally, pag lumabas yung baby, doon siya sa baba natutulog. Hindi siya pwede sa bed.
Oh yeah, because the moment when I fell,
Yeah, doon siya sa floor.
Mama nag-like me.
So, tayong dalawa, pwede tayo dun sa taas ng bed muna. Pero, the problem in that is, if you have school, lagi ka magigising.
Okay, number 1, adoption. Number 2, you and the baby can sleep upstairs.
Hindi pwede upstairs kasi
Kailangan magkasama kami ni nanay.
what happens is, I feed the baby and then tatay burps the baby.
Why can't I do it?
You can.
You can, pero what if you have to wake up at 5:30 in the morning?
Don't you just have to hand the baby?
Normally kasi nanak, pag gising si tatay, tulog si nanay. Pag tulog si nanay, gising si tatay.
So they get to know baby sister?
We don't know yet.
I don't know, maybe a sister.
Maybe a brother or a twin.
Nana, I want to play.
Ano yung baboy si nanay? Gusto mo anim agad? Okay, let's eat na. I'll stop this video na.
Picture ako video?
Of course.
Parang ako eh. Red Riding Hood, who lived at the edge of a big, dark forest. Could you, in a car? Eat them, here they are. You may like them, you may see, you may like them in a tree. As they walked along the road, the little pig soon came across a man with a cart filled with straw. This is the best building material, said the first little pig.
There you go, Doc.